Hey everybody, this is your post-test for Unit 13. Please make sure that you have your name and Unit 13 at the top and then number 1 through 12. You can stop or rewind this video as much as you need, but please make sure that you take a picture and post it under Unit 13 post-test when you are done. All right? Number 1, angle. The photograph of the celebrity was taken from an interesting angle. Number 2, article. An article about school safety appeared in the week's newspaper. Number 3, circle. It takes approximately 365 days for the Earth to circle the sun. Number 4, handle. The handle of the skillet is hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. Number 5, middle. Nicholas is a middle child. He has an older sister and a younger brother. Number 6, people. Millions of people ride the New York City subway every day. Number 7, possible. The veterinarian treated the dog's wounds as quickly as possible. Number 8, sample. Mia asked for a sample of the ice cream before placing her order. Number 9, settle. The teacher instructed her students to settle down and work quietly. Number 10, stable. My uncle's farm has a stable with 8 horses. Number 11, struggle. Tyler went to bed late, so waking the next morning was a struggle. And number 12, title. The author and illustrator agreed on a title for their new book. All right. That's all the words. Remember, stop, rewind, whatever you need to do, and post this under Unit 13 post-test.